How to use AirDrop, send photos and files and contacts on iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on search app library and search photos app. You will see click on photos app. Now here select photo. So after select photo, just click and hold on photo. So click on share. So after click on share, you will see click on AirDrop. So after click on AirDrop, showing your AirDrop device. So click on AirDrop device. So after the process, go back to home screen. You will see your picture is AirDrop sent to. So that's how you can use AirDrop on iOS 26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.